In this video, let's quickly take a look at the way that you set up the two-factor authentication inside of TikTok. By enabling 2FA, you'll be able to make sure that no other people besides you can access your account, and your account has an extra layer of security. To enable the two-factor authentication, head over to the three lines on the top right and then head over to Settings and Privacy. From this list, head over to Security and Permission, and right here you'll see the option called two-step verification. Now there are a bunch of methods that you can select, the most powerful one being the authenticator. So you'll be using the authenticator apps such as Google Authenticator to add in the two-factor authentication. You can also use the email address or the phone number option. For this video, I'm just going to use the authenticator app. Make sure that this option is turned on and then tap on turn on. Now you need to enter in your password before you can continue, and then tap on continue again. Now either you need to scan this security code from your authenticator app, or you can also copy in this code and head over to the authenticator app. Once you're inside of an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, you can tap on add code and then tap on enter a setup key. There was a QR code option as well, as I just showed you. You can just tap on scan a QR code if you're using a different device. Paste in the key that you just copied in from TikTok, and you can name this whatever you'd like. For simple and easy purposes, you can just name it TikTok. Paste in the key that you copied and then tap on add. Now there are two types of keys that you can choose, either the time-based or counter-based. You can just select the time-based option and then tap on add. And there you go, the TikTok authentication now has been enabled. If you head back, you can now tap on next and then type in the code that is showing in the authenticator app. And there you go, as easy as that. The two-factor authentication on your TikTok now has been enabled. Whenever you try to log in to your TikTok account on a different device, you'll need to type in the code that is available on the authenticator app. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.